So you would like to make money on YouTube, but you don't want to put your face out there. Now what if I tell you that you can copy and paste some free videos in less than an hour and you can re-upload those videos onto your channel, and you will be able to generate money like this every single month. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to film anything. Since this works worldwide, you can be anywhere in the world and keep making money. This is one of the simplest way you can make thousands of dollars online. But before explaining how it works, this is Manoj Rane and welcome to the channel where I make videos on tips and tricks and the best ways on how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever new video is up. Now let's get started. So here is one channel that's doing this successfully. If you stay until the end of this video, not only will I show you how you can do this, but I will show you how you can get your videos done in less than an hour. I will also explain how you can monetize your results and earn lot more money. Now as you can see, this channel is posting only once per week, which is 4 videos a month. According to the Social Blade, they are getting around this number of views every single day. Now I know for a fact that business and luxury related videos have really high CPM that can go way more than $10 per 1000 views. So if you do the math and we open up this calculator, and that's going to show that at 20,000 views using a regular daily views with a CPM of up to $10 is making them more than $5,000 every single month without even selling anything. If you stay until the end of this video, I will show you how you can maximize your results and earn more money by relying on other monetization options. But first of all, let's see how these guys are actually creating these videos. If I open up one of these videos, for example this one, and we go over to their description, you will be able to see that they are giving credit to the owners of those videos. They are just taking videos from other YouTube channels and they are giving them credit in the description box. They are not asking permission from the owners because as you can see, they do not own the videos and music used in their videos. If any owners of the content would like them to remove their video, they will do that as soon as possible. They just need to contact them through their email address. But these channel owners are okay with that because they are getting free exposures, they are getting free promotions for their yachts or for their cars or for other luxury stuffs. So let's see how you can do this. As well, let's see how you can create this type of compilation video by just copying and pasting and monetize them. So the first step is to find the content creator that are posting original content to all of their luxury houses. Find those diverse type of creator and you can use their videos. You can also look for someone who is promoting his or her car or somebody who is promoting his or her yacht. Just find those small content creators related to the luxury lifestyle and start downloading their videos. For example, I really like this video. What you need to do is just click right here on the video. Now click on the copy link address, then go to the Google and search for the YouTube to MP4. So we can download those videos. You will need to download like around 15 to 20 different short videos so you can compile them into a 5-minute video which you will be uploading to your YouTube channel. So this is my first video. You just paste your YouTube link here, click on convert, wait until that loads and then click on the download button. Once again, download at least 15 to 20 of these different videos. Now the next thing you will need is an audio for your videos. You need some motivational music in the background to make the video look a lot better. You can simply go to the YouTube's audio library, which is absolutely free. So you can go over to the Google, search for the YouTube audio library, open up this platform, or even just go to your YouTube studio and find the section where it says audio library, and that's going to give you all of these different copyright free audio. So all of these songs are absolutely free and you have full license to use it in your videos. So you just need to go to the free music and filter by mode and select inspirational, click on apply, and that's going to give you all of these different inspirational songs. You can select whichever one you prefer. Let's say for example, I want to use this one. You can listen to it first and whatever you find inspirational and motivational and you think is suitable for your video, you just need to click on the download button. Now you just need to compile those visuals which you got and that motivational song. You just need to combine those two into 5 or 6 minute long videos. And in order to do that, you can use free video editing software as well. And the one that I recommend that's absolutely free, and that is openshot.org. So go ahead and go to the openshot.org and get your free software now. So you could stitch together these different videos. It's really simple and easy to use this software, but you can use any software you want. You don't need any professional skill or previous experience to do this, because you just need to put 15 or 20 different short clips and leave different motivational songs in the background, and that's it. Just save it to your computer and you are ready to upload it onto your YouTube channel. Now the final step is to get those thumbnails done. Let me show you how these guys are getting their thumbnails done, and then I'm going to show you how you can do this for absolutely free. You can see it always says Billionaire 2021 motivation and just a nice picture in the background. If I open up one of their videos, you can see in the description they credited the owner of the thumbnail. For example, they took the thumbnail of this video from this person's Instagram, so they are taking pictures from the Instagram and they are just adding that Billionaire 2021 motivation text above the photo. So they are probably searching for like #business, #luxury, and they find those guys that are posting those type of photos. Then they download those photos and then they add their text. You can do exactly the same thing, or you can even use pexels.com. Pexel is a platform where you can find a lot of royalty free stock footage and stock photos. Just go to the search bar, search for the luxury, and that's going to give us all these different photos which we can use in our thumbnails. So let's say for example I want to use this one. All you have to do is click on the download button and it's immediately going to be downloaded. Now you can use any image, it's on you what image you want to use. The next thing is I need to insert a text above it, and you can use canva.com. Just go over to the canva.com, search for YouTube thumbnail into the search box, and that's going to give you a loads of templates that you can use. I will start from the blank because I already have the background for my image. Now I just need to add some text above it. So let's say for example I have just typed in Billionaire Motivation 2021 in white color text. So this already looks nice to me. Now I just need to download it into my computer. You can play around with the different font colors and sizes or different backgrounds. It's really simple and easy, and canva.com is available for absolutely free. It will be definitely allow you to make some professional looking thumbnails. So that's exactly how you guys can make money on YouTube, by just copying and pasting the videos and without showing your face on camera. And I do hope that you did get some value out of this video, and if you think you like my content, please make sure go ahead and smash that like button right now, and be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you want my #1 recommendation and the most easiest way to make money online, make sure to click on the first link down below in the video description. And that's bring me to the end of this video. I will see you inside the next video.